Hey everyone, this is Ryan with the UNC Charlotte Ghost Hunting Club, and welcome back to another episode of Ghost Hunting Friday. The evidence in this clip is from our investigation of the USS Yorktown in Charleston, South Carolina. The Yorktown has been featured in many paranormal investigation shows and is widely considered one of the most haunted locations in the Southeast. The audio in this clip was captured in the female berthing area of the ship, and it sounds like there's someone running past the recorder, then there's noises like they're trying to open the lockers in the room, and then they sprint back the other direction past the recorder again. This is one of the most impressive clips we've captured to date, so check it out and let us know what you think in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching this clip. We hope you enjoyed it. If you or someone you know is experiencing paranormal activity in their house or business and would like our help, feel free to email us at unccghosts@gmail.com. The link is also in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can subscribe right here or check out our playlist for more videos just like this one by clicking right here. And we release new videos every Friday. Until then, happy hunting.